Well, the weakness is absolutely not abating when it comes to the currency, and I think that's also playing out on the rupee today as we're at 61.54 levels. So close to the day's low of 62.72 that it touched against the US dollar. In fact, we opened very close to those levels. And of course, you are seeing quite a bit of pressure which continues to come on the currency as we speak right now. You do have the strong dollar demand from the banks and importers that clearly seems to be impacting the currency, and also the markets expecting that the RBI may just withdraw the forex swap window for OMCs. All of those talks have been brewing about. In terms of the bond yields, though, take a look at the spike that you're seeing today. It's at a 9-week high, so the bond yields are certainly spiking in today's session, 8.9% as we speak. And in terms of the equity markets, Neeraj, it looks like it's a fairly flat session today, 62.50 just about being held out. Well, 61.50.
So it's a fourth straight day of a dip, while the broader markets may be doing okay, and while there are individual stocks which have done very well, and we'll discuss some of those, there is pressure on the index. How much further does it go to anybody's guess? But yesterday our technical experts were working with levels of maybe 60-50 odd on the Nifty itself, so that's one key to watch out for. Amongst the stocks, what's done well, and yes, result boys like Tech Mahindra and Aurobindo, yes, but I was just looking at the large caps, and Tata Steel continues to move up further from the levels that it has gained. And, you know, if you look at Tata Steel from 200 odd, it's been almost a one-way ride for Tata Steel all the way to 353. HCL Tech is the other one, back to the levels that it was at when it came out with the numbers. The interesting one is Tata Motors for today's session. Just 30 seconds on this one. We'll do a preview of this company as well as to what numbers are going to come out. But just watch out. The quarter would post excellent numbers, just that the market is now probably working with a number, the whisper number, which is much higher than the estimated number. And maybe if they don't clock in that much, it could be a disappointment, which would be unfair because it all probability would be a stellar quarter for Tata Motors. So just watch out for this one if you are trading it. Could be tricky. 385 currently. The estimated number is 3100. Of course, the whisper number much higher than that.